what a lot of people have asked me is, can you use a DeWALT Impact Driver with a regular bit like this? And the answer is yes, but with caveats. So we have this drill bit like this with a hex shape. Now if we try to put this into the DeWALT Impact Driver, so let me get that, put it in, and you can see it will not stay in place no matter what we try. So what you need is drill bits with this hex cut out here, and then you'll be able to use your drill bits like that. But most people will not have a toolbox full of these drill bits. So what you will need is either a cheap drill bit holder like this. You can get a decent one. What's DeWALT? You'll be able to put it in the end like that. Then use all your drill bits like that. However, if that's not an option and you fancy something a little more permanent, you can get a chuck adapter like this. It comes with a hex cut out like that. You pop it in, and then you use this exactly like you would any other ordinary drill. And you put any regular bits in the end like this, and you'll be able to use your impact driver with regular bits. So hopefully that gives you some options, and if you actually can use your DeWALT Impact Driver with regular bits. So the answer is yes, but with caveats. Hopefully this video helps you out, and if it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.